Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a super desirable rare Camaro right here. It's all numbers matching. It's a Rally Sport Super Sport factory air deluxe interior, original fantastic colors. Got a really good piece right here. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, and that's where you'll find the prices on all of the collector cars that we offer for sale. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me and let's go for a spin. Underneath this car is a combination good original and maintained as needed. The floors are just nice, clean metal floors. It's never been off the frame restored, but it's all solid. The front end was all rebuilt. The ball joints, even the spindles, the bushings, the shocks, the springs, front end is all redone. And it has a disc brake conversion in front. So it's all new disc brakes. The emergency brake is all hooked up. There's a nice sounding Flowmaster exhaust that you'll hear at the end of this video. The motor is clean. The transmission, it's a Power Glide automatic. It is VIN number matched to this car. It has its original rear end date coded to this car. It's a 307 gear, so a nice cruising gear. So again, underneath this car is very respectable, not body off frame restored, but very nice. The body is clean. This is a California built car, and it's smooth in all the problem areas. There are no problems. Look how nice the gap is, no door dings. This is all nice, smooth, no bubbles, no cracking. I don't see any issues. It has a rear spoiler. It's nice all across there. The Rally Sport also comes with this extra trim. It's in real nice shape. The mirror looks new. New emblems. It's got the nose stripe painted on. Of course, the main feature of the Rally Sport are the hideaway lights. These are the original vacuum system, and they do work. We'll demonstrate that too. Bumper's re-chromed. It has the spoiler down below, the SS hood. Windshield is crystal clear. It's probably new. These wheels were just put on. They're 15-inch Cragar wheels. They sparkle with new BFGoodrich tires. The tires are a little bit fatter in the back. Gives a little muscle look going on there. The white vinyl top is beautiful. I'm not always a fan of any vinyl tops, but I think the white really makes this car pop. This is Grotto Blue. It's the original color. I checked the tag. And the metal flake is laid out evenly. It's not blotchy or no different shades of color going on. And it has a very glossy clear coat. In back, part of the Rally Sport also is relocated reverse lights. They're down here. On a normal Camaro, they're built into the taillight. But this is all real nice. Has the SS gas cap. It's got 6x9 speakers in the back because there's a retro stereo in there. Completely solid trunk. Very neatly spatter painted. It's got a matte tire cover. This is painted nice. The weather strip's real nice. And it was born with a blue deluxe interior. I also checked that on the tag. So the seats have a little nicer upholstery than the standard. And then it has the molded door panels in excellent shape. The window cranks look new. And it also includes the wood grain trim. So the console and right up the dash, all the wood grain's beautiful. And this one has a tilt column with the deluxe wood grain steering wheel as well. Nice bright blue carpets with embroidered mats, new blue seat belts front and back. So it is the VIN number matching 350 motor. It's a 4-barrel engine, 300 horsepower, I believe. But you can refer to the website to get those specs. It is upgraded with an HEI ignition system. But the biggest plus is a factory air conditioning system that works. And it has power steering and the power brakes. It's all new master cylinder and power booster. It's cleaned up really well. It's been very neatly cleaned, spray painted. You got some new chrome. It has the correct spring clamp battery cables with the Delco battery topper. The new clutch fan, the shroud looks new. Squirters are hooked up. The whole dash area, the vents, everything's real nice. The headliner looks like it's probably real good original. Yeah, it is a retro stereo that's in there. The light works at the back of the console. It's just a very nice, tidy inside. The door jambs are clean. Bottom of the doors are real nice. The weather strips are real good. So there you have it. I mean, the combination of the colors, options. This has a long option list. You can go on our website and read the options. Again, it's a longer list than I've put on a Camaro in a long time. That's my impression. You can go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They will help you out the best they can. They can also help with delivery and financing. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.